You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names. Yes, I hear different pronunciations, so let's clear things up once and for all. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations of famous names, stay tuned. I got many more videos for you at the end of this one. The British English pronunciation, the way it's usually pronounced in the UK, is as Harold. Ha and ah sound, okay? Harold. Harold. Now, in America, in the United States, the American English pronunciation is more commonly as Harold. Harold. Can you hear the difference? Harold, Harold. Let me know in the comments how you pronounce it and where you're from. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.